Hello friends, welcome in our channel Maulik Learning. In today's video of complete Python programming for beginners, we will discuss about next data type, that is dictionary data type. So let's start today topic, dictionary data type. So dictionary data type also is a collection of data type. It is an unordered ordered sequence of key colon value pair of items where key is built-in data type and value is an object type. So let's understand by an example. So first question is how we will create an empty dictionary. So very simple. Suppose I have taken dictionary one variable and we use curly braces for this, or also we can also create dictionary 2 by dict keyword. We use dict keyword is small case dict keyword for creating dictionary. Okay, so let's check this in PyCharm ID. We will check this how we create empty dictionary. Dictionary 1, suppose I have taken, and this print type take 1 and print type print dictionary 1. So I will run this and you can see now we have created dictionary type and empty dictionary. Similarly, I can also use dict keyword. You can see the dict keyword and to create an empty list, empty dictionary. Now you same output it will also produce dict. This is empty dictionary we have produced. So now you understand how we will create an empty dictionary. So next we will discuss about how to declare. Next is how to next is how to declare complete dictionary. Let's understand. It's very simple. Suppose my subject is my variable, then I will use one key 1 2 3 and suppose CS and comma 125 colon subject is IP, again colon comma 129 subject is maths. So here I can see this is key, this one is key built-in type, and this is value pair, key colon value pair of items. You can see it is unordered. Okay, so once I will print my subject, or if for that print type of my subject. So what it will produce, let's see this in PyCharm ID. We will create it. Suppose my subject is variable name that 1 2 3 I have created CS comma 1 2 5 I have created IP comma 130 colon I have given maths. So once I will print type of my subject and print my subject, so what output it will produce, let's see. So here we can see that type is dictionary and value colon item key colon value pair of items. You can see 120 CS, 125 IP, 130 maths. It is unordered. Most important thing is it is unordered, whereas list item like list, tuples and range are ordered sequence. This is unordered sequence. Okay, so we can take any example also, other second example also like this. Suppose I will create marks. My marks equals to, suppose Ajay is a student, it is key and his marks is 96 comma Vijay colon and his marks is 77 and Amit colon his marks is 65.8. Sorry, this is close and this is will close. Now finally it will close. So once I will print my marks here, this is key and this is value, key colon value pair of items. Let's see in PyCharm. My subject equals to Ajay, suppose 90 marks comma Vijay colon 78.8, suppose floating point marks I want to take, and Amit colon 66.5 marks comma Rajat has 99 marks. Okay, so once I will print my subject, it will also produce same output. You can see here Ajay 90, Vijay 78.8, Amit and this. So now you understand how we can create complete dictionary. The another important things about dictionary is that dictionary is mutable. Most important thing, please note down this, dictionary is mutable. It means we can change the items values. Example, suppose this is my marks and I want to change Amit marks, so I will give the key here in square bracket and I will give marks is 35.5. I want to change, So it will work or not, we will see in example in PyCharms. So let's go on PyCharm. Here we have already created Ajay. So I want to change my subject, sorry, print my subject, and I want to change the marks of Amit, sorry, first I will put the values in my Amit, and I will change the Amit marks is 66.5. I want to give 90 marks to Amit, so Amit will be happy. Print my subject. So now what will be the output? Now you can see Amit before changing the value 66.5, now Amit marks is 90. So we can say that dictionary is a mutable type. Okay, so this is about dictionary data type. Now you understand. So this is for this video. We will discuss next data type in next video. So thank you very much.